Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel Code Arcade. With this video guys, I will be starting a new series in Java and it will be about the stream APIs in Java, okay, which is a feature of Java 8. Before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And also, thank you for your support. If you really like the content that we bring to you, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel because that really helps you to get the notifications of the latest uploads and updates that we bring in our channel also. And thank you for your support, guys. Keep supporting us and thanks a lot. So, without any more ado, let's get started and talk about the Stream API in Java, which is a feature of Java 8. Okay, so let me directly go to the IDE here. So you can see I have a project called Java programs here. So inside this demo package, let us create one more package called the Stream API. Okay, and inside this, let me create a new text file where I will be giving you some tips and tricks on that. Okay, so I will just say tips and tricks. Fine. Let it be a text file. So let me open this and let us discuss about the Stream API in Java. Okay, and as I said earlier, it is a feature of Java version 8. Okay, so as I said, let's talk about the Stream API. What is it actually? So the Stream API in Java is a powerful tool introduced in Java 8 for processing collections of data in a very functional and declarative manner. Okay, so it actually allows us to perform various operations on a stream of data, okay? Such as you can say certain properties, I can say like this, filtering, then you have reducing, then you have mapping, then again you have collecting, okay? These are some few examples of the features or properties of the Stream API in Java, okay? And before even doing all this, you should know how to actually create a stream, okay? So this will be the first part of the series where I will actually show you how to create a stream in Java, okay? So as I gave you a detailed idea, CETA's Stream API is a powerful tool. Let us see the benefits of using that tool, okay? Let us create a file here and I will just say creating a stream. Okay. So I'm just keeping the class name based on the topic that we are going to cover. Okay. And in the main function, let us try to do this. Okay. So in order to create a stream, we can take the list data structure. Okay. And let us take the integers. I'm just taking a list of integers and I will name it as numbers is equal to. Okay, and we have a very good feature in Java. I will just call the arrays, and inside that we have a function called as list. Okay, and here I can just pass the numbers that I want in my list. I will just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. With this, I have created a list of integers like this, and the name of the list is numbers. Okay, now if you want to create a stream of integers from this numbers list, we can simply write like this. We can call the stream. You can see here, right? We have called the stream, and inside this, we have to declare the data type. So they are integers. So I will write integers here, and then I will just name it as a stream. Okay, and I will just say equal to. So we have a built-in function in the streams. So I will just call my list and say dot string. Okay. So this is how you actually create a stream. Fine. Now, if you want to print each element of the stream, you can use the stream variable or the object and you can say dot. We have the for each function here, which I can use. See, and then I will just say system dot out. And because this is a stream, we have a very good feature here. I will just say double colon and I will say println. Okay. So guys, this is a really important and good feature of streams in Java. Okay, you can see I have written system.out and after this double colon I have written println. Now let's see if we are successfully able to print the list of numbers or not. Right click and I will run this. Yes, you can see here I have successfully printed the stream of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and one more thing, there is one more way of creating the stream which I am going to show you now. You can just do like this. It is also very easy. So let me just write alternate method, and here I will just create a array of numbers is equal to, I will take the same numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then now you can simply call the in stream. You can see here java.util.stream. In that we have the in stream interface. We can call this and we can just say stream1 is equal to, I will just call the arrays class and then I will say dot stream. Here I will pass the array like this. Okay, fine. Now if you want to print the stream1, you can just say stream1 dot. Now let's run this and check if we are getting the same result or not. Okay, you can see guys, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Okay, so I have told you the two methods of doing this. You can see first we took a list of integers where we stored the list of numbers like this. We use the as list function in the arrays class. Okay, after that the second way was by using the in stream. Okay, so in the first one what we did, we took the stream of integers like this and here we said numbers dot, we call the stream function. Okay, and in the alternative method or the second method, we took an array of integers as simple as that, and after that we used the in stream, and inside that we created the stream variable and then we same use the arrays.stream function, but inside that we pass this integer array here. Okay, fine. So these are the two ways of creating streams. Fine. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ping your doubts in the comment section. I will be very happy to clarify them. And at the same time, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel because that really motivates me to create more content for you. And thank you for watching till the end. I hope you will be coming for the next video as well. So till the next time, thank you and happy learning. Bye bye.